We're gonna separate into you follow me, you two cover us. General, why? Tan attack us at the checkpoint, General. Okay, if they want a war, we will show it to them. Corporal, why sir? If there's a survivor, kill it now. Copy sir. Call the boys, we need to move out. Roger that. Okay boys, let's go, we need to move out. Sergeant, we are reinforcement sent by General. Thank you, Lieutenant. Sir, Ton already retreat. Okay, we need to go back at camp now.